speakers. His name is Juhi Toma. Juhi, come and share with us your perspective as a student from the hurtful words that were said.
Hello. I say for Manouye. I say for Tego. For Manouye. Pral titre to Atimo sous sa capacité. Hello, hello. All right.
Put it closer to your mic.
All right. Today we are ending racism. One race, one blood, one humanity. In 1804, we ended slavery. Back in the 1990, on April the 20th, we ended the CDC lie about the Asian gave AIDS. But we fall back. 28 years later, is today, we have to come back to end racism. As Asian from Haiti, I came to America to learn great things. Not to correct a racist and a bigot. One race, one blood, one humanity. We are great together. We are one together. We are ending racism today. Asian people, brothers and sisters, African Americans, Latinos, we are immigrants from all over the world. The Native American will say the same. Let's come together to end racism. Martin Luther King, Dessalines, Obama, Nelson Mandela, they are great in history because they have love, unity, inclusion into the heart and soul. We are not great when you are a racist and a bigot. One race, one blood, one humanity. Thank you, may God bless the world. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Now, we also have teachers, artists, and poets.